Hey, what is up guys, it's Bates 2003 here, and today I'm just here to tell you about, well basically, I was trying to get gold on my sniper SVG, because I needed bloodthirsties, and then in one game I think I got 2-4 kill streaks. I was just mad, to be honest, because yeah, it's just really annoying. Because I saw that I had 10 crypto keys and I was like, I'm not saving up for a rare supply drop this time because I'm just not in the mood. I'm just gonna open a common supply drop, and in the common supply drop we actually got this butterfly knife. So yeah, that's the first special new weapon thing that I've got. So yeah, that really did make me happy, to be honest. And if you're wondering why I was trying to get my thing in gold, because I was probably just, well, I'm going to start it when I get to 10 subscribers, the SVG montage, and yeah, I was just getting it in gold. So yeah, we'll probably get into some gameplay now then, just so I can show you what it's like in game. We'll just go with TDM. Hunted. Right. Probably won't be as good range, because it's only small, it's not like the crowbar or anything. But yeah, we've got it on. It's like some of the things. I haven't put any camo on it though. But yeah, just wait for it to load up. And I've nearly got gravity spikes, all of them, because I haven't unlocked every specialist thing for one of them yet, because I'm always mixing them around. That's what I'm like. So here it is, butterfly knife. I love the animations when you do this. But yeah, let's go and get some kills with it. Bit of lag. Probably won't care about getting kills or anything. Well, yeah, I'll try and get a few kills anyway with it. It's lagging a bit. He just failed. Hang on. Oh, could have got a double kill then. Flag. Right, I'll probably just end it there because it was just a quick bit of footage with that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That would mean a lot. And yeah, see you next video.